Mother Nature is about breastfeeding. It stars my wife, who has been a faithful mother to my boy. And the very first thing that gave him comfort was the nipple. Mother Nature is a picture that celebrates his relationship with the nipple. It's this mythical, archetypal version of her in this ideal Garden of Eden setting. Your eye eventually is supposed to find the nipple. It's this magic medallion that when you were first born, most likely that was the first thing that you went searching for. It seems to be the first thing that the eye searches for. The nipple's a big deal. It is the source of nourishment and the thing that keeps babies alive. And on some level, I don't think humans ever lose a connection with that reality. So here you have a photograph called Mother Nature. And it's the best thing I've ever done, as far as I'm concerned.